How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Patrick Volvo Cars, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg and Naperville, Illinois. And today I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to Volvo's new infotainment system to use Apple CarPlay. Let's go. All right, so first thing you're going to do is grab your phone and your keys and go hop in your car. I'm currently sitting in a 2025 Volvo EX30. I absolutely love these cars. If you want to watch my full video on it, you can click on the link up at the top corner there. But now that you have your phone and you're sitting in your car, let's hop into the main screen here. All right, so once you're in the car, you got your phone, your car is on and running. You're gonna want to break out your phone and you're gonna go to the settings menu. It's in a different place on everyone else's phone, but mine's up at the top left corner there. And then in your settings menu, you're gonna wanna scroll down until you see Bluetooth. It's usually up at the top, kind of third or fourth icon there. So you wanna click on Bluetooth, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says other devices. There'll be a little spinning wheel there. You wanna just wait on that screen. And then inside the car, you're gonna click on this icon with the 4 squares there. This is gonna bring you to all of your apps pages. And then one of the first applications you're gonna see is gonna be for BT media or Bluetooth media. So we'll click on that there. And of course there are no devices connected because we're gonna connect one right now. So we're gonna go into the Bluetooth menu. We're gonna make sure Bluetooth is on. And then it's gonna say add a new device. We're gonna click on add. And then down at the bottom of your phone in that same list, you're gonna see it say Volvo and then the model that you're driving. So we're gonna click on Volvo EX30 there. It's gonna take a second. And then you're gonna get a 6-digit code on here. You're gonna wanna hit pair. That same code is gonna show up on the screen. So we're just gonna hit pair there, confirm there, and then you'll get a couple messages on your phone for allowing contacts. You're gonna wanna just say allow to all of those. Same kind of thing inside the car. Just say yes to all of these. And then you'll get a pop-up on your phone that says connect to CarPlay. So we're gonna do exactly that. We're gonna connect. We're gonna get a terms of service in the car. You're gonna wanna check all of these little boxes here. And then we're gonna hit accept. And now it'll be finding all of the apps on your phone. There we go, boom, Apple CarPlay. And now you're gonna see all of the apps that are compatible with Apple CarPlay from your phone are gonna show up in the screen now. You can swipe through these pages just like you do on your phone. So you got things like Spotify, I got the Chicago Bears app in there, even the Chick-fil-A app is somehow compatible with Apple CarPlay. And there's really hundreds of apps that are compatible with Apple CarPlay. It just depends on whatever you have downloaded on your phone. Of course, if you wanna have a full library of everything available, you can go into the Apple App Store and download any app you want. But the main thing about using Apple CarPlay is that you get access to Apple Maps. So it'll look, of course, exactly like it does on your phone, and you get Siri integration in these cars as well. These cars all come standard with Google Assistant. You'll see that icon down at the bottom, but since we're using Apple Maps, you're gonna wanna use Siri to control that. You can do that just by pressing the button on the steering wheel there. There's a little microphone button there. If you hold it down for just a couple of seconds, it's gonna bring up Siri, and then you can use Siri to enter in addresses, call people, answer text messages, and then text messages is a big part of Apple CarPlay as well. It's not going to show you your texts unless you're parked. Whenever you're driving or the car is on, it's gonna wanna do all that through voice. So it's gonna use Siri to read out your text to you, and you respond to them via text through Siri also. And then of course all of your music, everything will show up just like it does on your phone. Looks fantastic in here, really easy to find whatever you're listening to. And of course you just ask Siri to play you whatever you want and it'll do that for you immediately. But yes, Apple CarPlay is a fantastic system to be integrated into these cars. It just offers a wide berth of information and apps and features that you can add to your vehicle at any time. It really is a fantastic service, and I hope you were able to pair your phone also, so you're able to use CarPlay in your Volvo. This particular system in here, it's really only been introduced in the brand new EX models, so the EX30, the EX40, the EX90, but it is coming to more systems very soon in the future for Volvo. It is a really good infotainment system, works very well, very clean, and now Apple CarPlay, just another tool that you get to play with. All right, and that's about all I have for today. Quick and easy, just like technology always should be. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you were able to successfully pair your phone to your Volvo. Many happy miles if you did with that. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. If you need any help with parts, service, or sales, the number for Patrick Volvo Cars is right at the bottom of your screen as well. And make sure to follow our social media channels while you're there also. That's always a big help. We appreciate a follow. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.